Come Perk. Just got done taking the dog to the doggy hotel so we could travel over Labor Day weekend, and I just want to point out I finally have gotten to wear my Penn State polo because tomorrow is game day. College football is back. Now I'm on my way to grab some coffee and head to work. Just a very quick stop into Falls Perk for some coffee. So another bucket list item that we have for you is to go to either Ninja of Japan or Yosaku and get some sushi. So that's where I am. I'm gonna grab some sushi here. Not bad considering the nearest ocean is a very, very long way away. Alright, so part of these vlogs is going to actually be a little bit of showing you what we do in our engineering program here, and I actually just got a really cool box from SparkFun that actually contains some stuff that I'm excited to show you. So I'm going to do that via video here. Movie magic. Alright, so I've actually got two of these in here, but I'm only going to pull out one for now. And what this thing is actually a robot. It's a little robot called a JetBot. And so I'm just going to show you some stuff that's in here. We've actually got some acrylic pieces here. You can see there's a base plate, some wheels, nice metal cut pieces. It's super great, super nifty. And also included in this kit are a few headers. We got motors to drive the wheels. We've got a couple of these little micro USB things. Got a battery pack. That's super exciting. USB adapter. A couple other components here, but the real heart of this thing is actually this guy. It's a Jetson developer kit. It is just a single board computer that's extremely powerful. It's extremely powerful. If you've been familiar ever with a Raspberry Pi, this is like a Raspberry Pi churned up to 11, and we actually use a much more expensive, robust, more powerful version of this on our EV cart. Also included in this package is a camera, which will allow our students to do computer vision actions like following lines or lanes and object avoidance and detection. We got two of these robots for hopes of using them in our mechatronics courses and our computer vision courses. I'll probably show you them put together in a later video. Well, hopefully at least land the all.
Nice.
The struts are just a little loose.
Yeah.
Gotta find the right spot. If I go too far back, I'll overflip.
Hey, there we go.